Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a website just using AI. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open a browser of your choice and search for Mixer. Now open the second site that comes up with the name and simply log in with your account. Now if you don't have any account, then simply create one so that you can continue along. And after logging in, simply scroll down a bit until you see this kind of interface. And after that, just click on get started for free. Then the site will redirect you to the main page where you can create your website. This is a great AI tool that helps you to build a website with just one prompt in minutes. It also helps in typing the prompt, so if you don't have any idea, then it will give you one. Now to start creating one, simply type in the type of website you want to create for yourself. And for this tutorial, I'll create an e-commerce website. And after typing in the prompt of your website, click on generate. Give it a couple of minutes to create one for you. Now it just created a complete website for you in a couple of minutes. From its coding to layout and logo, everything is done. And you can also customize it by clicking on the save and customize button. And that's how you can create a website just using AI. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.